Are you struggling with the IELTS listening test? Let's tackle the challenge together. Understanding names, dates, and numbers is crucial. These elements often appear in conversations. They can make or break your test score. First, let's identify the problem. In IELTS listening, correct answers gain points. Clarity with names, dates, and numbers is key. Many candidates miss these due to confusion. But don't worry. We'll break it down step by step. Start by focusing on names. Listen for proper nouns like people or places. Often, speakers emphasize these names. This can help you spot them easily. Next, let's discuss dates. Dates could be mentioned in various formats. You might hear March 5th or 5th of March. Always pay attention to the speaker's tone. This can indicate something important is coming. Now, numbers are equally important. Numbers can represent many things, like age or price. Listen closely for different ways to express them. They might say 2000 or 2000. Write them down precisely as you hear. Here's an example to clarify. Imagine a conversation about a concert. You hear, the concert is on April 10th. The name and date are vital for your answer. When you spot them, your confidence increases. Let's summarize key points. Focus on names, dates, and numbers carefully. Listen for emphasis to help you identify them. Practice makes perfect with these elements. The more you listen, the better you get. Ready to transform your IELTS preparation? Join Transform Academy for tailored guidance. Click the link below to start now. Like, share, and help others ace their IELTS.